Hi guys.
Hey guys, Mick and Julie Perez Team Properties here. We have a new listing on the market.
It's a charming single-story pool home. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath. It's on a corner lot with RV gated parking in West Lancaster, and it's $332,000.
And I've just updated our teleporting app, as you saw in our last video, so I'll have us there in about 2...
Hey, let me try.
Oh no, I know how you drive. I'm gonna back up.
What do you mean?
You remember dodging butterflies? About hitting the butterflies. Oh, there's another one. Whoa.
Oh, no. Oh my God.
She just missed it. Whoa.
I feel like I'm on Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. Well, let me just adjust the settings.
Well, I already adjusted them. They're good. They're good.
This will put us right next to the pool. Let's begin with the tour. This gorgeous pool home is on a corner lot featuring paved and gated RV access. You'll enjoy the entertainer's backyard sitting poolside under the standalone gazebo. The kitchen is dressed with granite countertops, a wine fridge, and a large center island breakfast bar under custom lighting. Warm home touches with its custom brick fireplace and Tiffany style lighting accent the living room. Cuddle up in the cozy master bedroom near the corner rockstone fireplace. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour. I know I sure did. Honey, are you still in the pool? Come on, let's go.
Oh, that was refreshing.
Well, if you guys like this home and want to view it, give us a call at 661-492-6091. Like and subscribe and have a great day.